friends, welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, guys, I'll be showing you in full detail of my natural hair care routine, and I will be including how I prep my hair before a wash day down to the deep conditioner that I'm using as well. So this is a full detailed natural hair care routine without the styling process, and I'm making this video for any low porosity hair girls, any girls that's looking for natural hair care routines and tips. And if you are one of those viewers and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you are subscribed and hitting that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. And also, if you are also a supporter, make sure you're also following my Instagram page. I have it linked down below. It's at MochaCurlss with 3 S's. I know my YouTube channel has 2, but Instagram will not let me put 2, so it's 3. So yeah, so make sure you also are following me on that page as well to build up my followers and my supporters. So thank you. Continue watching, guys. So for today's video, guys, I did say that I will be prepping my hair. So I have been experiencing a lot of dryness and itchy scalp, especially if you did watch my last video. I had too much product on my hair, and if you are a low porosity hair girl as myself, too much product creates a lot of buildup. And as you can see, my hair is feeling super dry as well, and including with that buildup. So if I am experiencing that, I do like to prep my hair. So what I'm prepping my hair today is with apple cider vinegar. And if you have watched my videos before, I always revert back to the apple cider vinegar because it balances out my hair. It's a pH balance to balance everything out. It's also a clarifying to eliminate buildup. It takes out that buildup, and it also, because you're taking out that buildup, it promotes healthy hair growth. So a lot of clarifying shampoos, yes, you can use, and it does help, but I noticed that it doesn't clarify my hair as much because it doesn't want to strip out all of those oils out of your hair. So that's why I'm going with this today to balance that out. So yes, I'm going to take this out, y'all. Look at this. It is looking crazy. I did like a little style like this and just have like that, but whatever. Yeah, so let's take this out. Let's see. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. So the name of this home remedy is called an apple cider vinegar rinse. And of course you need apple cider. So I'm just shaking this up because all of those nutrients and vitamins are all at the bottom. So I'm just shaking it well so I can get all the benefits that's in there. So what you need to do is get one of these little bottles as you see in the clip. Pour a little bit of the apple cider vinegar in there. I poured a little bit more because I have been experiencing a lot of buildup products. So I do want a little bit more of apple cider vinegar. And then you go in and pour in some water. The water dilutes a lot of the apple cider vinegar because it can be too strong and causes your skin to burn. So you don't want that. So you do want the water to dilute the apple cider vinegar. As you can see, I'm focusing the spray bottle mostly on my scalp, and then I'll apply more of that rinse on the rest of this section of my hair to help with the detangling process. But for now, as you can see, I'm massaging that ACV rinse all throughout my scalp where I'm experiencing the dry, itchy scalp. So this ACV rinse acts as a disinfectant for our hair to prevent fungal or bacteria, dandruff in your scalp. It relieves the scalp from buildup products. So if your hair is clogged from buildup product, it will prevent your hair from growing. So this ACV rinse is beneficial to remove that excess product. Using this rinse can bring in that balance back in your hair by lowering the pH balance in your scalp. So there are other products that has apple cider vinegar added, but it has so many other ingredients in there. So I rather use this home remedy ACV rinse. You're getting all the benefits with the vitamins and minerals that's added. So if you do want to apply this with your natural hair care routine, I say try it out. It's not for everyone, but it definitely works with me with this buildup product. Okay guys, so I just finished applying all of that ACV rinse in my hair, and so far my scalp feels really good. As I mentioned earlier in the video, my scalp was feeling very itchy, and I'm telling you, this ACV rinse, it just reduces, eliminates all of that buildup product. Like, my scalp feels really good so far, and I haven't even washed my hair yet. So it's doing something, and I'm glad. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a good 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll see y'all in the shower. Wink, wink. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I let this ACV rinse sit in my hair for a good 10 minutes. So I just wanted to show you guys this clip after applying the rinse. So as you can see, my curls look defined, and my scalp, y'all, my scalp feels really good, and I haven't even washed my hair yet. So now, as you can see, I'm going ahead and rinsing out that rinse before applying my shampoo and conditioners, because I just want mostly of that ACV rinse to be out of my hair before applying my products. For my shampoo, I'll be using the line from Love Beauty and Planet. It's a vegan biotin and sun-kissed Mediterranean sulfate-free shampoo. And this is my first time using this line. I love how lathering this shampoo is. It has a soft texture, a light texture, but it lathers really good. So with the ACV rinse, if you are applying that with your natural hair care routine, you do not have to go in with the shampoo because it is acting as a clarification for your hair. But I do want to go in with that extra step because it does say that this product's supposed to deep cleanse your hair and also hydrate your hair as well. So because that ACV rinse is so strong smelling, I do want to go in with an extra step in this product to relieve my hair from that smell. You can see I'm starting to rinse out the shampoo out of my hair, and I just want to point out how my curls look. My curls look super defined with this shampoo. Usually with shampoos, it dries out my scalp and my hair feels brittle, but this did not do that. It hydrates my scalp as it says on the bottle. So with this ACV rinse along with the shampoo, it really cleansed my scalp, and it cleansed my scalp without stripping any oils out my scalp, and my scalp feels really good. For my conditioner, I will be using the same line, the Love Beauty and Planet. And this product actually has a thicker texture. And I do love when my conditioners have a thicker texture because I know that it will really penetrate throughout my strands and my scalp. And I do need that extra moisture in my hair, especially after deep cleansing my hair with the shampoo and ACV rinse. Even though it didn't strip my hair, but I do want to bring back that moisture in. So when I do apply my conditioners, I do like to place my hair in sections so I can really know that that product is working throughout my hair. And I will say this product really made my hair feel super soft. These products were actually $6.99 a bottle, so really cheap for being a vegan biotin product. For my deep conditioner, I will be using the moisturizing deep conditioner from the product brand Meech. This is my first time using this product, and already I love how thick this texture is. So if you do have a low porosity hair, you do want to implement a deep conditioner a part of your natural hair care routine. I say that because low porosity hair girls as ourselves absorb moisture slower than a high porosity hair girl. So this extra step that you're doing with deep conditioner allows for your hair to stay moisturized. So if you don't apply a deep conditioner part of your natural hair care routine, start. Okay guys, so the next step during my deep conditioning process, I am going to go in with my steamer, and I love this steamer. It's very beneficial during a natural hair care routine. So you've seen me going in with that ACV rinse and that clarifying shampoo. So I do need something to bring that moisture back in. So of course I am deep conditioning, which allows for my hair to be fully moisturized and hydrated, but this steamer will give it a boost, and that's exactly what I need. So what this steamer does is open up my cuticles with that moist heat, which allows for that deep conditioner to really deeply penetrate my scalp and my strands to bring that moisture and hydration back that I kind of lost during that clarification with that ACV rinse and that clarifying shampoo. So we need that, right? So if you do have low porosity hair as myself, you know that it takes a lot for our hair to absorb moisture and retain moisture. So this is very beneficial. So if you do have low porosity hair, I would suggest using a steamer or a steaming cap. I can't talk. Use a steaming cap or a hooded dryer while deep conditioning, and you'll see the difference because our hair loves some type of warm heat. So make sure you use that on your next wash day routine. You'll thank me later. So overall, the deep conditioner sat in my hair for a good 30 minutes and I steamed for a good 15 to 20 minutes. So my hair feels super soft. My scalp feels super relieved. I don't feel any dry, itchy scalp anymore. Everything about this whole natural hair care routine was very beneficial. And if you do want to follow these same steps, I would recommend, but in my opinion, you do what works with your hair, but you do have to start implementing natural hair care routines a part of your wash day. So as you can see, I'm starting to rinse everything out of my hair. And as I said, my curls feel super soft. My hair feels super relieved from any dry, itchy scalp. And as you can see, my curls look very revived. Very much so. So I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and subscribe to your girl's channel.